Hey Palaboy Nation, it's me again, Antuy Palaboy, Pobreng Laagan, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, it is actually one of the requested videos na ni-request ninyo as my Palaboy. So for today's vlog guys, I'm happy to share with you one of the biggest dreams that I have. Technically this is no ordinary vlog. After 2 years of non-stop vlogging, so meron tayong napundar. I'm so excited to show you guys this one of a kind vlog na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Again, I wanna thank you guys sa lahat ng mga subscribers ko na sumuporta sa akin throughout these years. And hindi ko makakamit ito guys kung wala kayo as my subscriber. So guys, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. Tara na, let's do house tour sa aking bagong bahay. Let's go!
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.
So yeah, so nandito tayo sa loob guys. You can see here ni Kuy. And this is our newly purchased na sasakyan. Actually, second hand lang siya. And baka nagtatanong kayo guys, bakit ako pawis na pawis? Meron kasi kaming boxing session. So, yun yung aking gloves. Diba? Pink na pink, ganon. So, let's go inside our house. Tara, let's go. Alright. This is our house. So, kakatapos na namin kumain. This is the dining area. That is the kitchen. Pwede tayong mag-cook dito. Ayan. Meron kaming induction. Meron tayong mga gamit dito. Ayan. So guys, bago pa lang ito. So hindi pa masyado na, wala pa masyadong gamit. Yeah. Wala pa masyadong gamit. Ayan. Tapos we have pantry here. So we have double door na refrigerator. So ayan. Wala pa kasing masyadong laman. And then, this one, wala pa masyadong laman kasi kakalipat lang namin 3 days ago. Hey, Palaboys! Tapos naglabas. Yeah, meron tayo. Guys, ayun, yun yung quarter ng aming mga helper. Tapos, dito sa sala, sa dining area, tsaka sa kitchen, centralized yung aming aircon. So, kasi, di ba, we want to make sure that we're comfortable whenever nasa bahay tayo. So, ang ginawa namin, pinacentralize na lang namin para at least malamig yung area. Di ba ang lamig-lamig? This is our living room. Ayan. So, we have 2 big speakers. You can do your video karaoke session. So we actually have 4 levels ng bahay. First is the underground, which is yung ating entertainment room. Second is the ground floor, which is where you can see the living area, the kitchen, the dining area. Tapos second floor is meron tayong 3 room, which is good for your barkada or your family members. Tapos sa third floor, dun yung master's bedroom, tapos dun din yung walk-in closet, tapos meron din tayong attic. Sa attic meron din tayong terrace area where we put jacuzzi on it. So let's go ahead and let's go upstairs. Tingnan natin yung second, third, and the attic. Let's go. So guys, nasa second floor na tayo, and in this particular floor, you can see 3 rooms. These rooms are customized. So meron silang sari-sariling theme. So let's go ahead and check the first room. So guys, this room is actually, ang theme ko dito is bachelor type. Pwede, dito ko balak pa stayin yung kapatid ko, yung bunso. So, yeah. And meron siyang malaking window para extra light. And meron siyang sariling TV. So, meron tayong aircon doon. The bed is a queen size bed. Tapos meron siyang sariling CR. Saka yung CR niya. Ayan, meron siyang sariling CR. This is the shower part. Tapos, ito yung bowl. Meron siyang lababo, guys. Meron siyang lababo. Nice. Hello! That's the first one. So, let's go and proceed to the next one. This is our second room and this is Hello Kitty room. So, meron siyang chandelier. Cute yung bed. Yan, napaka-nice. I say this is one of my favorite room dito sa bahay. So, yan, ice cream. Because I really love ice cream, so bumili kami ng ganyan. And also, kagaya rin dun sa first room, meron din silang dedicated na CR. This one. So, ayan. Diba? Hello! So, this is the second room. So, napaka-nice, diba? Alright. So, off to the next room. Let's go! Alright. So, ito yung malaking room dito sa second floor. Pwede magstay dito siguro mga 3 or 4 na tao. So, ayun. Dito yung meron din tayong AC dito. And meron din tayong side table. The bed. This is good for 2 and this is a queen size bed. Paka-nice. And may TV dito pero hindi pa siya dumating. So, bracket pa lang yung nalagay namin. Ito, masasabi ko malaki-laki ito na CR. Ayan. So, hi! Alright, so that's it for this room. So, let's go upstairs. This is our master's bedroom. Let's go. Hi everyone!
Welcome to our humble abode.
So, this is our master's bedroom. So, yeah, di ba napag-Victoria na sila? It's a good friend of mine. Pumunta lang dito sa bahay kagabi. So, they wanted to visit us. So, yeah.
Thanks for having us here.
Yeah!
Thank you so much, Anton, for inviting us here. You've got a very nice house. Congratulations. Talagang nagbunga na ang mga pagod at hirap mo sa YouTubing. So, eto na talaga yon. Thank you and congratulations.
O, diba? So, guys, keep on doing what you like, what you wanted to have in your life. Kasi magbubunga talaga yan. Okay, so, I'm here sa closet, sa walk-in closet namin. So, yeah. Hindi naman siya ganoon kalakihan, pero let me just show you now. So, this is actually our bathroom, pero I'll show it to you later on. Here. Yan. This is the first part. And, yep, this one. Maraming mga makeup sila. Nag-makeup sila for the photo shoot. So, yeah. Napakaganda, guys. And this one. This is no ordinary just like design. Akala mo salamin lang siya, pero pwede mo siyang buksan. It's another storage. So napaka-nice. Dito ko balak ilagay yung mga shoes ko dito. So siguro maglalagay ako dito ng mga LED lights para maging maganda siya. So, we will going to put the Nico's bag collection dito. Yan, dyan. And dyan. This one. Alright. So, this is our common place.
Bobby,
Wait a Yan. Tapos, this is a lazy boy. Ay, hindi siya lazy boy. So, we can stretch. Pwede kang mahika. Ganun. Masarap ka matulog. So, right now guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aming bathroom dito sa aming master's bedroom. Alright. So, guys, aming tab. Sarap matulog dito. Sarap mag-bubble bath. Tapos, this is our shower area. Look. Okay. So guys, dito tayo sa ating main bedroom. So, meron kaming TV. Meron kaming California king bed. Ayan. And then, we have sofa. Convertible to bed. So, also, we have 2 side tables. Right, so, this is one of the highlight as well dito sa aming bedroom kasi meron kaming jacuzzi. Ayan. Guys, as of this time, meron kaming jacuzzi pero hindi pa siya na-inflate at hindi pa siya nalinisan kasi umulan kagabi and then wala yung naglilinis. So, hindi tayo makakapag-deep ngayon. Meron tayong dalawang door. This is straight to the master's bedroom and this one is straight for the stairs. So para hindi ka na pumunta doon sa master's bedroom, may access ka na dito sa labas. Ayan. So, so guys, dito na tayo sa ground floor and it's good because tapos na si Sir Josh sa kanyang meeting. Nagkakape na siya ngayon. So tara, let's go. Let's go to the entertainment room, the buying point, or let me say, the best part of this house. Alright, let's go. So guys, madilim siya, ano? Let's just turn on the light. Alright, this is it. Pansit. We have here Iron Man, Spider-Man, yan, bar, the famous, kilala niyo ba to? Diba? Guys, napaka-nice. Diba? Sino namang hindi ma-in love dito? But wait! Hindi lang ito. This is not yet the best prize. The best prize is here. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? That is the home theater. So, di ba? Meron siyang glass. Hindi mo siya naririnig sa labas. Pero, pag nasa loob ka na, napakaganda ng music. Alright? So, let's open it. Meron kaming audio dito. This one. Ito yung kanyang audio. Yung ating parang malaking speaker. Ayan. Then the theater. So, let's request Kuya Sean to unplug his audio system sa kanyang earpiece o sa kanyang headset para marinig natin yung feels dito sa baba. Ayan! Can you hear it? It's so nice. Yeah! Can you hear it, guys? Diba? Napaka-nice. So, kung gamer ka, gusto mong maglaro, dito, maganda maglaro. I don't know kung pwede ba siya sa ML. Pwede siya sa ML, Sean? Hindi, no? Xbox lang. Or Xbox na games yung pwede. Kasi hindi ko rin na-try eh. We tried last night, we watched Cruella de Vil at saka Greatest Showman. Napakaganda. Napakaganda ng feels. Parang nasa sinihan ka talaga. One of the collections that our architect did was this one. Meron kaming mga mask dito, but the one that I really like is the Black Panther! Yes! Di ba napaka-nice, guys? Can you hear me? Then, yeah. So cool! So yeah, that is my house tour for today. So guys, I hope naging masaya kayo dito sa house tour na to. And if you want to visit me sa new place ko, just message me sa Facebook account.
Prepare lang yung mag-check out na.
Guys, check out na kami. So guys, it's a prank! Hindi po ko po bahay ito. Wala pa po akong bahay. So, hindi ko afford na magkabahay. Pero soon siguro, magkakabahay na rin tayo. Pero talaga, oo, nag-house tour ako.
Oh, what's ito?
House tour!
Sorry.
Guys, kasuri Josh! So, Sorry Tabay TV!
Tagpan, no?
So guys, we actually was invited to visit this place, and we want to thank Providence Townhouse for inviting us here with Kasuroy Josh of Suroy Tabay TV. Subscribe sa kanilang YouTube channel and Facebook page, guys.
Yay!
Alright, so guys, kahit binara ko ni Sir, okay lang kasi hindi man talaga sa akin to. Baka masilip tayo ng BIR. So guys, again, this is Providence Townhouse, and for only 7,500 per day, you can enjoy this amazing place. So if you want to have your reservation in here, you can just check the description down below. I'll put the link where you can book this place. Alright, so I think this is the best time to end this vlog. And if you're not yet my subscriber, please do subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button and the bell next to it para ma-update ka sa mga bagong vlogs kagaya nito. Alright? So this is still Antuy Palaboy, ang Pobreng Laagan, saying explore because life is too short and be a responsible Laagan. Till next time, I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
I'll never tell, it's true, it's true.